how can I again balance my work and my husband's communication together, maintaining a relationship, because me and my business and my husband, we both are business partners, and my husband is a senior person for me. So how to handle that relationship of husband and wife and a senior business partner?
Both together.
Yeah.
So
Because we usually have a clash when I'm giving a client to him and he's not able to balance his work, means his job and the business together, right? Usually have a clash of it. How to balance that?
So see, is actually first understand that your relationship has to be not a transactional relationship, like he expecting with you 1 2 3 so strictly and you expecting similar way with him. Rather than this transactional, you have to transformational.
You have taught us transformational.
Yeah, transformational.
But I can see that my husband has transformed, like I would say completely because of you, because you took our relationship mastery course, and Vikas has shown the transformational relationship. That 100% he has shown. When I am at work, when I am at meetings or interviews, he is taking care of the laundry, taking care of the house, which is his part of interest, I would say. But it's a feeling of a care from his side, that yes, the laundry when he's doing, it's a help, it's a big help. When I am needing it, I am having it, because the same laundry I'm wearing and going out for a meetings and interviews.
Correct.
So it's a very big help from his side, which is transformational, which you have, which sessions
So
you've
here
taken.
what you can do is, because all time when your husband is also a business partner,
As a communication, I'm asking how to balance the communication between both of us.
So as a communication balance, what you can do is you can do few activities together which will prepare you at energy level, the connection. Can you understand? The physical connection, the communication is actually the outer thing what we are speaking.
I am dealing with the ego inside me.
That is a good observation, because you are on observation, and once you are aware about this you can do something about it. But let me complete and give you 2-3 things in this. One is, have couple goals of daily exercising together, like doing a yoga, going to gym together. Okay, even sitting doing meditation together also will help you, because after meditation we are at a very different energy level and a different more subtle way, that we are able to see positive and more like the good things in people and the spouse, and so that connects us. Okay, the inverbal communication is also one thing where we need to work. So the work is needed in appreciating each other. Like, did you appreciate your husband when he did the laundry?
No.
Simple gestures, appreciation, and also taking care, because you are into business, so business is not that easy. It's like a lot of like a hot sitting on a hot plate. So did you really understand his conflicting views which he is putting to you, and ready, both of you being ready to solve the conflicts together? In this, not losing respect in the communication. Is there respect all time in communication?
No, from his side the respect is there, but from my side there's no
Okay,
respect.
but that's okay if you are aware and if you are sharing it. So can you see, these pointers will help you to at least know where to start for the relationship, and what to
Exercise
practice.
together.
What to practice?
Exercise
Even
together.
eating together without mobile. It's a good family routine. Do you eat together, both of you?
Sometimes we eat together and we don't use mobile. Usually we mobile and TVs we don't use at home, because you have taken our parenting sessions and you're also working on my son right now. So TV and mobile is never in our network.
So can you do all the time, like one meal being fixed with each other? Do you know, I have some clients with my suggestion, what they do is early in the morning 8:30 to 9 they have kept as a breakfast or a tea together time, because we do, once we are out for work, then we don't know what is the lunch time, what is the dinner time, but at least for breakfast we are there as starting the day. So do you think one meal you can fix which is fixed?
Afternoon, yeah.
You can fix, right? You just said afternoon. Just do this, and then you can also share like how it worked for you.
Okay.
And others also who are hearing can do the same thing, because your quality of life is your quality of relationship, and your quality of relationship is your quality of communication, the relationship mastery.